This is literally the epitome of hair jewelry. Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. Here I do natural hair videos and some other random stuff, but today we're going to be doing a celebrity inspired hair video. Now the celebrity I'm referring to is Yara Shahidi. If you do not know who she is, y'all please Google her, okay? She is the actress off of Grownish and Blackish. And every time you see her, she just presents herself with elegance and poise. She is the epitome of black girl magic, and her hairstyles be thebomb.com on Grownish. So we are going to do one of those hairstyles today. If you're interested in watching me recreate this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, here's the style we're going to be doing today. I love those hoops within the braids. That is just so different. We're going to start off by sectioning off this side of my hair to prepare for the braids. Next, I'm going to put the excess hair into a ponytail to get it out the way. I will be using a spray bottle to make this hair damp just because I cannot comb through my hair if it is not wet, y'all. I'm going to use my vent brush to detangle the ends. Then I'll be using a parting comb to separate the hair in the design that I'm going to do the braids. And next I'm just going to start braiding. Y'all, I didn't put any product on my hair. Honestly, I told y'all I'm in this healthy hair journey, and I just been wanting to use as little product as possible because I hear that it could clog your pores, and I just didn't feel that product was needed for these small braids. So toward the end of the braid, I'm going to leave the ends loose just because it is going to be gathered together to join a big puff. Y'all, I was trying to copy this style the best way I could. Even some of the braid sizes on the picture were uneven, and I was even trying to mimic that. So with this portion of the video, I don't really have much to say, but I'm just gonna keep braiding until I'm done. All right, I'm done braiding and the ends are still loose. Honestly, y'all, I studied that picture and I couldn't tell how the ends were gathered together. So I just kind of made something up on how I was going to gather the ends. I did a flat twist. Hopefully that was right. So after I was done with the flat twist, I just used a hairpin to pin it to the side of my head and to get it to stay. Then I used a little bit of gel to make the hair at the bottom of my head curly. So to complete the look, I didn't have any hair hoops here, so I used some earrings from Shein. And with application, I'm going to start from the top, which is the smaller hoop, and then go to the bottom with the bigger hoop throughout my hair. Y'all, trust me, I had some difficulty applying these hoops to my hair, y'all. I was trying not to stick myself. I did not want to be bleeding, but I was dedicated to the style. So once I got done adding all the hoops to my hair, I noticed I needed something in my ears. So what's better than hoops? Nothing. I think the big hoops played off the hoops in my hair really well. And we're gonna lay those edges. All right, y'all, we are done. What y'all think? So here's the style inspiration. Yes, Yara. There's also a picture of her wearing it up in a ponytail, and we're gonna try that now. And here is the finished ponytail look. Here are some comparison pictures of each style. All right, y'all, we are done with this look. For me, it's a little bit editorial. What I mean by that is it's not something that you would see in your normal everyday life. It looks like something you will only see on TV or in magazines. Do I hate it? No. But I think it's different. It definitely shows the beauty in our culture. And I also just like how different it was. I will say I think the hoops that I use is a little too big, but I have to be resourceful. I mean, I wasn't finna go to the store to buy no little hair hoops just to do this style, so I just used what I had here. But you know, I do think that it's something cute about it. It's something cute about it. It's very different. But Yara, you rocked it. Jas can't really rock it, but I mean, it's straight. I mean, it's really straight though. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I mean, if you haven't subscribed, like, what are you really doing? Other than not being subscribed to me. But anyways, I think I will be doing more celebrity inspired hairstyles because now that I look at this, I think I like how different it is. I think that, you know, in order to pull something off, you just gotta have the confidence. And ain't nobody gonna tell me nothing about how I do my hair. Cause it's mine and you ain't gotta wear it. But you know, let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like it? Is it a thumbs up, thumbs down? Is it a yes girl or is it a nah sis? All right, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video.